Hello, everyone. I wanted to give you a quick introduction to the Unit 2 activity points. This is an Excel project, and I'm aware that many of you are probably not that familiar with Excel, so I tried to give you a lot of instructions and make it as easy as possible. So let me just show you what it's about. And again, my goal here is to help you get through some examples from Unit 2 as well as show you what Excel can do. So I just went ahead and clicked on the link that's in the activity, and it should open Excel on your computer. Harper does have free Excel. If you don't have it, you can get Office 365 through Harper. You'll notice there's only 2 tabs showing here, but these 3 little lines will open up all the tabs. If you go to the first one, it says directions. The directions will be, scroll all the way to the top, walk you through step by step what you want to do in this project. The second tab, the chart of accounts, you don't have to do anything with. It's just telling you the names of the accounts and account numbers. The third tab is where you're going to do a lot of your work. This is the journal entries. So I have it set up so that you'll see the explanation of what's happening, and then you're going to go ahead and put in the journal entry for that, just for the month of December. You'll notice when you click on the cell, you'll get a little drop down. The drop down is giving me all of the accounts from the chart of accounts tab. I set that up for you so you don't have to do any typing here. It links everything together. So for that first one, I'll go through and find that advertising expense. Click on it. Come down, I know I paid cash, so that credit would be to cash. You can fill in the account numbers if you want there. And then once I put in the amount in the debit side, you'll notice that immediately that's transferred to the credit side because my debits must equal my credits. From there, after you do all of these journal entries, there's only a couple. You're going to do those adjusting journal entries, the 6 adjusting journal entries. Then you're going to come over here to the ledger. The ledger has some beginning balances in them, and then the numbers are in here. So you can see cash, and the dates are correlating with the journal entries. So I know on December 2nd, I go back to my journal entries, that cash was involved. I had a $1,000 credit. I'm going to go ahead and post both of these things in. But for cash, I have a credit of $1,000. And you'll notice that immediately changes the balance in the account for you. Just to be consistent and make sure everything's all recorded, I'll go down to that advertising expense. Again, the date's in there, so you should be able to follow along and make sure you've transferred everything. I have a debit of $1,000. Once you transfer everything to the general ledger, your financial statements will populate automatically. I have some check figures in there so you can make sure you come up with the right amounts. But as you can see, for example, my advertising expense right here is going to be the same number that's right here because I've already populated that for you. So once you transfer everything to the ledger, your financial statements should be complete. You can make sure those check figures are accurate. And then the last thing you'll have to do are those closing entries. So close your revenue, close your expenses, close income summary, and close those dividends. Then you'll be done. You don't have to post those closing entries or anything like that. That's all you have to do. I know this seems overwhelming. If you have some questions on Excel or want to make sure you have those journal entries correct, please just send me a quick email. Include your Excel file with that you're working on so I can see if there's a mistake where it went wrong, and I'll help you out with that.